Do you know what this is? It's called a globe valve. Due to its unique structural design and operating mechanism, this valve is known as one of the best and most common industrial valves for precise manual flow control.
Now, let's talk about the advantages. In this type of valve, the disc moves perpendicularly to the seat. This movement changes the area of the fluid path in a controlled way, which allows the flow rate to be adjusted with high precision. Moreover, these valves have a high resistance to wear and tear caused by high fluid velocities, thanks to their specific body material and special design. They are also highly resistant to leakage. When a globe valve is completely closed, a tight and complete contact is established between the disc and the seat, bringing leakage down to the absolute minimum. And most importantly, maintenance is much easier compared to other manual flow control valves. In fact, you don't even need to remove them from the pipeline to perform repairs.
So, what are its disadvantages? Despite all those advantages for flow control, the internal body shape of globe valves, where the fluid path resembles an S shape, forces the fluid to change direction twice to pass through. This issue creates a relatively high pressure drop across the valve. For this reason, globe valves are not recommended for applications where fluid pressure drop is a critical and undesirable factor. Instead, they are primarily used in situations where the top priority is precise flow regulation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.